Africa Missions would like to say a big thank you to our friends and partners in the USA. We appreciate all the amazing support we have received. If you have asked, how do you send future once-off or monthly support directly from the USA? We would like to show you how to do it in just a few steps. It all starts with the QR code link. Simply take a screenshot or save the picture version of the QR code to your phone gallery. Now, open the Google app on your phone and tap the camera icon on the right side of the search bar. You can now point your camera to scan or select to scan a picture from the gallery. The camera will identify the QR code in the picture that was saved to your gallery and detect the link associated with the QR code. Simply click to follow the link to the card payment platform. You will be directed to the page that says, Donate to Africa Missions Operations. This page is facilitated by PayPal. Now, fill in the amount that you would like to donate. You may also opt to tick the box that says, Add, to help cover fees, but this will totally be your choice. The next step is to select your method of payment. You can choose between using PayPal or by paying with a debit or credit card. Select the appropriate tab. If you have a PayPal account, please select this option. Feel free to write a note in the box provided, and continue to enter all other required information. Right above the amount, you will see 3 tabs: one time, weekly, and monthly. Should you wish to make a monthly autopay donation, then please go ahead and select the monthly tab. If you selected donate by debit card or credit card as payment method, you should now see the fields requiring your Visa or MasterCard details. Please complete all the fields. Once you are done, simply click on Donate Now. The card payment platform will do the rest. Through the wonder of modern technology, your donation will reach us almost instantly, and PayPal will send us a notification.